Today we're going to go over this word here. So to do that, let's split into 3 syllables. The first important thing here is to not add a vowel sound before the letter S. Make sure you start with S. Then we have a regular P sound as in Peter. Now when it comes to A, be careful because A is actually a schwa here. So So the first syllable is sp. Then the second syllable is the strongest syllable in this word. So we have a G sound, ga ga ga. Remember, the sound is produced with the back of the tongue touching the soft palate, which is that soft part in the roof of your mouth. This G sound is followed by an E sound, the same E we see in words such as red. Then the T here is in between vowel sounds. Do you remember what happens when that happens? T becomes a flap T or fast D sound, as in get up or water. Then the last sound is an E sound as in C. So putting everything together, we get spaghetti. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.